You like it here, Vinima?
I love it here. It's really a beautiful city, really heritage buildings and lovely atmosphere, very lively. There is forest, there is river, there is very lively city. There is entertainment in the center. People playing with fire. It's just so much variety. Superb restaurants. Really, really amazing city.
Do you ever get annoyed with people if they don't fulfill their promises?
Well, actually, yes, all of us, when we interact with people, we do have some expectations, right? I mean, nobody can have absolutely no expectations from others. And very often, our expectations are not met, right? And people don't always behave as you would expect them to behave. And it's pretty natural to feel a little upset. It's not like it's bad, but what we have to learn, according to Vedanta, is to learn to manage. So, very often the masters tell you not to expect anything so that you are not disappointed. But that's very unrealistic because every relationship requires some expectation. But you are free when you understand that everybody need not meet your expectations. So I think that when you know that, then you know how to manage it. And managing it doesn't mean one thing or the other, it means different things and different times. Sometimes you just let it go because the matter is small and it is not of some great importance to you. So you learn to move on and you not make it a big issue. Sometimes it absolutely needs some correction. Suppose somebody who's very close to you, your partner or your children, and suppose they are lying or whatever, you need to confront, right? You can't just say, oh, let them be, and otherwise I'm superimposing my values on them. Because it's a close relationship and there is a larger dharma involved. So it requires you to address, and that is really, really important. And you have to overcome your own fear of, oh, if I say something, it may blow up into a big fight. Well, that may happen, but at least the honesty and integrity in the relationship is preserved. So, managing people not behaving in a way that you expect, either it can mean letting go, either it can mean confronting, and sometimes it can be your own projection, right? That other person may be doing something quite normal, but you superimpose. So sometimes you also need to question yourself and see whether it is something to do with your superimposition or not, and reflect and also correct that behavior. So I would not say that there is only one advice that you have to let go, or you have to not pay attention to it. I would say that we have to be intelligent and we have to be discerning and we have to see what is required in that situation and do what needs to be done. And that's called managing the situation. Otherwise, what we do is put a lot of pressure on ourselves and say, I don't want to be upset. But all of us are upset. And then what happens is it leads to denial, it leads to the suppression, it leads to dissociation, which is super unhealthy. So managing it is wise, suppressing it is unwise, and pretending that I'm not bothered is delusionary. So we don't want delusion, we don't want suppression, we want intelligent living by addressing and facing and overcoming.
Yeah, good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Mhm.